Hey guys, welcome to Mystical Moonstone. This message is for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Remember that these are general reads, so they may or may not resonate with everyone. And don't forget to check the placements in your birth charts to see if some of the other zodiac signs may resonate with you as well. Overall energy here, we have a storm warning. Attraction. Let's see what the tarot cards have to say. Justice. So it looks like things are going to turn out okay for you because you're going to have justice, and that could be because of your hard work with the Eight of Pentacles. I mean, it's almost like there's this, like a storm warning, something bad is coming, but there's going to be justice. And you're going to get through it because you're determined to get through it, right? Chariot. Determined to move forward. Strength. Yeah, you're going to get through it, whatever this is. Not sure exactly what it is, but you're going to get through it. I feel like you're going to pass it with flying colors, kind of a thing. Okay. Seven of Swords. So somebody is being sneaky. Somebody is being, deceiving. But I really see sneakiness. They're sneaking. I feel like you're going to catch them, though. We have Judgment. You're going to be enlightened. You're going to find out about it. Maybe through your own accord, like you are going to investigate and figure out what's going on because you are suspicious of someone. So you're going to start checking things out. Yeah, like you're like a investigator. I see somebody sitting at their computer and clicking through things and then looking, like spying almost, watching what this person is doing or something. And then I see them like leaning in to the screen to get a better look, like, because they can't believe their eyes. Like, wait, what? And then they, you know what I mean. The World. Yeah, you're going to be enlightened and you're going to end the cycle. You figure out what's going on with this person. Hermit. It really... When the Hermit first came out, obviously the Hermit, it's about you, right? It's about, and I heard your character. So they may be trying to discredit your character. I feel like it is something that you can't believe. It almost takes you by surprise. It's like you felt like you knew something was up, so you go and investigate, and you were kind of hoping you wouldn't find anything, and you're like, oh, I probably won't find anything, but I'm just going to check anyway. And so you go and you check, and you're like, you can't believe, you're like, oh my God, like, what? We have the World again. So it may be time to end a cycle with this person, and I'm not sure. I mean, it depends on what they've done to you. The Moon, something's revealed, yeah. Especially over judgment and being enlightened. Something's revealed. I feel like you find this out yourself. Great. I just dropped a card. The truth. With the Ace of Swords, the truth comes out. That's what's revealed. The truth comes out about this person. And you see this person from a different perspective. You're looking at things and going back and realizing this person wasn't for within your best interest, right? I don't know if this is a romantic connection or if it's a friend or a family, or I'm sure probably by now you know exactly who it is. But this is the storm that's coming, is what this person is doing. And it's almost like they're trying to attract negativity to you. I don't know what this person's problem is with you, but Ace of Wands. I always see this Ace of Wands as being like this major change. So this person is close to you. I feel it's more than just an acquaintance. Chariot. Again, we have the Chariot. I keep hearing, nah, I'm just not going to deal with it. I'm just not going to deal with it. It's like you're going to get over it within yourself, right? Because I do feel like that they hurt you by doing this, whatever it is that they have done. I don't know if they're maybe talking about you behind your back. And you found out about it. Or someone has been mad at you, and so you finally end up talking to this person who has been mad at you, and you're just like, to kind of clear the air, you have this conversation with this person, with one of your friends, and you find out that the reason they were mad at you is because this person who is being sneaky said something to them that you said or did when you really didn't say or do that. Like they lied to somebody. Does that make sense? I know I'm not saying it very clearly. I'm like they got one of your friends mad at you by lying to them and saying that you said this or you did this or you did that, when really you didn't. And you talk to that person and clear the air with them. Because they're like, well, so-and-so said you did this. And you're like, no, I didn't. King of Swords. You start seeing things clearly. You start realizing that different at different times where people have gotten mad at you and you never understood why. And then it's like you start realizing it's because this person is talking crap behind my back. Ah, look what happens. Look what happens. 9 of Cups. After you clear all this up, look what happens. So yeah, again, you're totally going to get through this. You're going to have the strength. And you might even confront this person who is going around spreading lies and rumors about you. But I feel like you cut this person out. And you end up with the 9 of Cups. Like, okay, now you're back on track. Everything's great. Once you get through this storm. So, okay, this is what I have for you. Please hit like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I hope to see you again soon.